So here we are loading up the drywall onto the drywall lift. Because of the extension that I added, which was a little over 2 feet, getting it loaded onto the machine was a little difficult. As you can see, it's pretty much at almost the 6-foot mark. So we built this little contraption to slide it up. It rests on a little lip on both sides, so that we can slide the drywall lift into place and lift it off from there. I extend out the arms to support the 12-foot long drywall panel and then flip it, lock it in place. Our angle was a 4.5 12 slope, and you can see the extension there, which is not red, and that's what I needed to get it into that higher part of the north side clear story. So that's how I solved the problem of my drywall lift not being tall enough, just welding together some bike parts and some bed frames. Thanks for watching.